From an early age, Dali had the strange ability to see things where others saw nothing at all.
My father brought me a puzzle in pictures that represented a forest and a hunter. In the same picture, I could see a mosquito, an elephant, a bath, or anything else, as well as the rabbit that the illustrator had hidden there.
Elephants march untiringly in Dali's paintings. They are supported on light and wavy stork's legs that are between the earth and heaven, as if at any moment they would take off in flight. The elephants in the air bid farewell to one stage and welcome the corpuscular explosion of Dalinian work, where the bones are freed from the slavery of gravity and float in space like the particles on the inside of an atom.